Today, we're going to show you how to factory reset your Amazon Echo Hub, which we've got right here. You need to have it powered on in order to do this. All you're going to do is tap right here and then slide down once that arrow at the top pops up. So we're going to tap and then we're going to slide that arrow down. That gives us the menu. And then we're going to click on the settings menu right here. I'm just using my hand right now because we've got a Wi-Fi password that I need to cover up here on video. Now we're in the settings menu and all you're going to do is scroll down, and we are scrolling down until we get to device options, which is right here. And then we're going to make that selection. So we make that selection. So now we're in the device options and we're just going to scroll down. We're looking for how to factory reset our Amazon Echo Hub. So we keep scrolling and we keep scrolling here. Let's see, where are we going to get it? It's, I believe, at the end of the menu. There it is, reset to factory defaults. I'm going to click on reset to factory defaults. And here it gives you two options. You could retain the smart home device connections. We're going to completely reset this to factory defaults. So we click on that and it says reset to factory defaults. Your device will be deregistered from Amazon and all of your directly connected smart home devices will need to be reset. This will take several minutes. After deregistering, you can add the device to another Amazon account. Are you sure you want to deregister? We're going to click yes or reset right here. And now our Amazon Echo Hub is resetting to factory default settings. We have another video that shows you how to set this back up, so check that out in the links and description below. But thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Amazon Echo Hub. It takes a couple of minutes for this to go through the entire reset process, but you'll know it's been completed when the Amazon logo pops back up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.